cognitive ability test is widely used because an individual's general intelligence can predict a variety of performance. How about a team? Is there a team intelligence? Just act like an individual intelligence that can predict the team performance? Does each individual's intelligence in the team matter? Have you experienced a group of super intelligent people that made tragic decisions? Today we're going to talk about collective intelligence. Woolley et al. 2010 published a study on collective intelligence on Science, and the study discovered two important questions. First of all, does collective intelligence exist? Second, if it exists, what factors impact collective intelligence? So they conducted two studies. In the first study, they have 43-person teams. They were working on a variety of simple tasks as well as one more complex criterion task. So the simple tasks are like negotiating with very limited resource, visual puzzles, planning a grocery trip, etc. The more complex criterion task is playing checkers against a standardized computer program. The results show the collective intelligence exists, and this one factor accounts for more than 43% of the variance. It predicts both the performance of the simple task as well as the more complex criterion task. The average and the maximum of the individual's intelligence in the team does not predict the criterion task performance. In the second study, they used 152 teams. And the difference of the second study is that the team size varies from 2 to 5 people. They use more simple tasks as well as changing the more complex criterion task. They also use a different measure for the general intelligence. The results of the study replicated the first study's results. So if this collective intelligence exists, what factors impact this? Combining the results from study 1 and study 2, they find that the average and the maximum intelligence of individuals in the team can moderately predict the collective intelligence. They also examine some factors. Surprisingly, the factor like satisfaction, team cohesion, and motivation that we expect might contribute to the team intelligence. They didn't. They are not related to this collective intelligence factor. So then what factors are related? The study find out the first important factor is the social sensitivity. So the average score of the social sensitivity of the team members is strongly related with the collective intelligence. The second factor is the equality in the distribution of conversational turn-taking, which means everyone in the team gets a chance to talk, as well as the composition of the team. The results show that if the proportion of female in the team is higher, the team shows higher collective intelligence. So these findings raise some additional questions. Does a short collective intelligence predict, for example, a cell team's long-term effectiveness? It would also seem to be easier to increase the group intelligence compared to the individual intelligence. So then we need to explore what can we do to increase collective intelligence. Do you think some tools, for example, a good online platform, can help with the turn taking in terms of increasing the collective intelligence? What are your thoughts?